Next thing I'm going to do after the trench is placed is I have this fabric here. This is non-woven geotextile. So I'm going to use it on this one. I did not use it on that one. So I'm going to see if, one lasts longer. The instructions did not say to use it. So you probably don't have to. And I'm going to get some stakes to stake that in. 6 inches of gravel. I'm going to rake the rock flat and then kind of measure it with the level. Okay, I dragged my compactor out there. I'm going to give it a little bit of compaction. All right, I checked with my level. I'm about 2 inches low on the back side, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some more gravel down in there. So I usually just compact the first layer. I'll sprinkle some more on top and just hand compact it, because that thing it moves too much. It doesn't get that perfect flat surface that I'm after. Next video, we're going to be adding our first course. So if this video helped you, please help me by liking and subscribing. And next video, we're going to be adding the first course of blocks.